everyone, let us start the lesson plans of physical science. ये lesson plan है हमारा coal के बारे में. The topic is coal and it is very essential. अगर आपको exam भी दे रहे हैं कोई भी और exam दे रहे हैं जैसे Htet वगैरह, तो इधर से questions बनते हैं इस chapter से, इस topic से, तो please इसे अच्छे से देखना. तो सबसे पहले हम शुरू करते हैं हमारी preliminary details से, such as your roll number, subject, topic, class, date, duration. Then we have to specify our journal objectives, which are to develop interest and curiosity in learners, to build the concepts based on facts and pure understanding, to inculcate various cognitive skills in learners. Then the specific objectives. The specific objectives are the pupil will be able to define carbonization, fossil fuels, destructive distillation, and various other topics. The pupil will be able to understand how useful components are extracted from coal. Application, the pupil will be able to apply knowledge gained in daily life situation. Skills, the pupil will attain important skills by the end of class. Teaching aids, there are journal teaching aids such as blackboard, chalk, duster, and specific teaching aids such as smart class, digital tools, textbook. Previous knowledge testing questions are: what are fossil fuels? Fuels which are obtained from dead remains of plants and animals are called fossil fuels. Example: coal, petroleum. What is used to build roads now and then? Previously coal tar, now not sure. Why it is not advised to use angithi in closed room? Unsatisfactory answer. From where is coal obtained? Plants or animal? Announcement of topic. So class, today we will study about coal in detail and its constituents. Presentation. Similarly, we have to write the content, pupil-teacher activity, the pupil activity, and the instructional work or the blackboard work. Natural resources. These are the resources which are present in nature, and they are of two types, which exhaustible and inexhaustible, are present in limited number and take years to form and therefore will exhaust if not taken care. Example: coal and petroleum. Inexhaustible, they are present in unlimited number, available most of the time, and will not exhaust as they replenish fast. Example: sunlight, air, etc. Coal and the process of coal formation. The process of formation of coal is called carbonization. Happened in Carboniferous period. The process, plant matter buried under layers of sediments and were subjected to high temperature and pressure and therefore gradually converted into coal. Coal varieties. Peat, it contains least amount of carbon, and then lignite, better than peat. Bituminous, much better than lignite, and anthracite is the best quality of coal which has the maximum carbon content. Destructive distillation of coal. Coal is heated in a closed container in the absence of oxygen to obtain various constituents such as coal gas, coke, coal tar, and this process is called destructive distillation. Coal gas. Coal gas is an amazing fuel which is used to cook food, and it was also used in the street lamps of London. Coke. Coke is used in steel industry and it contains 98% of carbon, is a very good fuel. Coal tar, a black thick liquid used to build rocks previously, and now bitumen is used. 200 useful compounds are also obtained from coal tar such as paints, dyes, plastic, naphthalene, etc. Combustion of coal. Here, coal which contains carbon burns in the presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide. Daily life situation. When coal is burnt in angithi, carbon monoxide gas is produced, which binds with hemoglobin faster than oxygen and does not let oxygen bind, thus causing suffocation and ultimately death. So windows must be kept open. Recapitulation. What is the difference between exhaustible and inexhaustible resources? Illustrate the process of coal formation. Describe destructive distillation of coal. Homework: a well-labeled diagram of destructive distillation.